tinawag pa, pangalawas. English church, sa Grigong Pulong Ecclesia, which means called out once. Tinawag pangalawas. Then, kung sa man itong kuhan, the two aspect of the church, universal and local church. Universal church is a verse. There's ang local church. Representa sa kingdom. The divine image and the divine authority. This one says that God created man in his own image. All the created things. The creation of man, vital things are the divine image, the divine authority. If we are to have the full image of God, express God, and realize the full authority to represent God, to subdue His divinity, to subdue His work, God Himself must be our life. The divine life that we receive by man is fulfilled. To express God, to express God, man means the impact of God. To deal with the enemy of God, man means the authority of God. Divine authority is something